So here we are on the May update video. What's been going on recently is just halfway through painting up some resin figurines, so they're halfway there. These resin figurines have been featured on a few videos, including how to make them and prime up the resin. I think that was a video, the last video maybe. So as you can see, there's a polyurethane resin mask there, which is primed up with automotive primer spray paint. And there's a few base colours there, so we're kind of halfway through this lioness mask here. This is what a lioness mask looks like once it's fully painted, so that's one style of paint. This particular mask is on Etsy at the moment, so that's for sale there. As is this concrete leaf mould. Well, there's the concrete leaf there, and there's the concrete leaf mould there, which latex mould with a fiberglass mother mould. So that's on Etsy also. Acquired this nice looking dragon sculpture or resin cast. I'm going to mould this up at some point, so that'll most likely be a silicone mould. It's a wacky joke tooth. Here's a cast of another cast of the pine cone. So I've just put a couple of layers of paint on there. This cone is made from dental stone. She also put a video up of casting these from dental stone. Some more resin casts with paint jobs. Halfway through paint jobs, so there's the Natsuki figures. I think I showed these Natsuki figures in other videos also, so different painting styles and colour schemes. And there's a cast of a fossil which is casted up in dental stone. A hand cast there. And another one down there amongst all the junk. Another lioness mask paint job with a different colour scheme. Another half finished job, which is this fiberglass salmon fish cast. So I'm going to build up some more layers just to try and even it out and make it look more natural looking. So more experimentation with LED lights and resin. This is fiberglass resin, and I just whipped up just a rough cutout, and I engraved some runes into fiberglass resin, so I'll switch the lights on with this controller. And there, I don't know if that's coming out, but the LED lights are embedded inside the fiberglass, and then the fiberglass carved out through a layer of paint which I applied to the surface of the fiberglass. So this is just an experiment and for future projects. So I've got some plans on, or some ideas to incorporate this type of thing. There's an Egyptian cat there in front of a foot with a plant in it. We've got some more resin casts here painted up in a kind of cast iron effect, or maybe pewter. So these came out quite nice, so sort of faux metallic look. We'll do videos on painting up these resin figures shortly. I think I said that quite a few times. So I recently made a couple of more moulds, a couple of fiberglass moulds. These are a bit rough, but they do the job. That mould is for an Egyptian cat, and this mould is for a Japanese or Chinese dragon. So we'll get on and cast these at some point. So the gunner has decided to come up now, around about now. It's about 2 months later this year. I think leaves were on the gunner around about March or April last year. The leaves are about the same size as this. Anyway, we've had strange weather this year so far. So I've got my rhubarb leaves are coming out as well, so like as with the gunnerer, we can start making some new concrete leaves, so I'll be looking forward to that. There's Tilly. You right there, Tills? You saying hello? Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you soon.